Hey loves, I'm glad you found this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is BukiBlaq. I'm going to be showing you how to make the Nigerian tapioca. Stay tuned and watch. Welcome back. So to make our tapioca, the first thing we need to do is to soak it. You can soak it overnight or you soak it 30 to 40 minutes before cooking. So if you soak it overnight, you have almost twice the size. So in my own case, what I did was to soak overnight, and this is what it looks like, right? After soaking, then I can cook. We'll be needing coconut water, tapioca roots, and also water for cooking. So this is what the tapioca looks like. I actually purchased this at the market. I bought a tapioca or thereabouts. And this is what it looks like. So first you need to rinse the coconut, then grate to your preferred size. Well, I'm actually using a bigger grating face here, so that's the size of what I want my coconuts to be. Then I properly rinsed my tapioca. Guys, at this point you need to just take your time to rinse this tapioca very well because it's from the market and you just need to ensure that what you're taking in is very hygienic. So you properly rinsed. After rinsing, sieve the dirty water away. It is very important. Then after this, all I need to do is just to boil little amounts of water in my pot. Then I'll be pouring my tapioca on it. I will make sure that the water boils for some time before pouring the tapioca. After pouring the tapioca, I'll cover the pot, let it boil for some minutes before I add other ingredients. Guys, just watch what I'm doing in this video so you will understand. Let it boil for about 3 minutes, after which you add your coconut water. Guys, you have to be careful. I almost poured my coconut water away thinking it was water. So it's advisable that you just set it aside somewhere or you label it if possible. After which I will add my salt to taste. I'll add my sugar, and also I will add my grated coconut. Hey, it's about to go down. So after adding the coconut, I will stir. My tapioca is almost ready. Guys, if you notice, the color is changing. It's now clear white compared to what it was when we first started cooking it. So you add the coconut, you mix it properly. So while I was doing this, I actually noticed that the tapioca was already thick. I mean, it was really thick. So I needed to add more water to make it watery. Well, it depends on you. If you like it thick, then good. In my own case, I added enough water, so it was not too watery and it was not too thick. So after adding water, I let it boil for 5 minutes, but make sure that I was stirring it. After that, my tapioca is ready. Here my tapioca is served. So I'll be taking this with sugar and milk, depending on what you want. Also, you can take this with fruit, strawberry or grape. So you guys, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.